Hello, I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and today I'll be talking about the multiplication of exponents. So talking about the multiplication of exponents, let's start with this example. So the expression states 2x to the third times x to the sixth. So looking at this expression, how exactly do we solve it or simplify it? Well, in order to do so, we had to use this rule known as the exponential product rule. This rule states that if we have to multiply two powers in which they both have the same base, that means that we can add these exponents. So looking at this example below, we see a simple example of 2 squared times 2 to the third. As we can see, both of these exponents have the same base, being 2. Because of this, we can add their exponents, being 2 and 3, giving us 2 to the fifth. So knowing this, let's go back to our previous example, 2x to the third times x to the sixth. Seeing this, we can actually split it up to make it easier to look at, being 2 times x to the third times x to the sixth, as that's basically the same thing. So as we can see, we have two variables with the same base, being x to the third times x to the sixth. By using the exponential product rule, we can now simplify this expression, as we know that each of these variables has the same base. So by doing this, we can multiply these two by adding each of their exponents. So x to the third times x to the sixth is the same thing as saying x to the 3 plus 6, which is equal to x to the 9th. We also have this 2. However, doesn't have the same base as the x, so of course we wouldn't add or subtract it with the exponent. So it just stays there and multiplies with the x to the 9th, giving us 2x to the 9th. Thank you for listening.